we have 4 roosters who have started crowing. 4. As you can hear them. So our roosters have started crowing. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are enjoying our series of our homesteading vlogging in Zimbabwe. Yeah. So today I've got a lot of updates in our current homestead, in our homestead here in South Africa. Our roosters, we have 4 roosters who have started crowing. 4. As you can hear them in the backyard. Please let us know what can we do. We're thinking about making stew out of them, or at the same time we're thinking about keeping them so that we can get better eggs and we can have new chicks for the next season. So it is quite very annoying. You can imagine 4 roosters crowing at different times, and actually they crow around the same time, so they take turns. So for example, let's say after an hour or 2, when one rooster decides to crow, all of them they crow. So we've got 4 roosters crowing at the same time. So yeah, you can imagine at 4 a.m. when you're trying to get that beautiful sleep, or that last wonderful sleep, and you get woken up to the sound of roosters. So it is something we're definitely considering in terms of, you know, slaughtering them. I mean, we have been thinking about slaughtering our chicken, but we didn't think we would do it now. We wanted to do it like, you know, next month or so. But with this noise, so with the way they are crowing like this, especially in the morning, we're almost considering to do it very soon. Yeah, but yeah, at the same time we're also deciding, you know, should we keep them for the chicks, or should we just keep the hens and they'll just lay us eggs, and whenever we decide to expand, we can always buy fertilized eggs, because I feel sorry for our neighbors. I also don't like the sound in the morning. It's so frustrating. It's so frustrating. So yeah, this is just an update. We've got 4 roosters that are crowing at the same time. They are making a lot of noise. They are so annoying, but yeah, they're just being chickens, I guess. There is so much. Roosters crowing in our chicken coop. There's another one. 4 roosters. Can you imagine the noise they're making? There's another one. It's about to crow. I bet this one is about to crow too. There's another one here. But anyway, other than that, it's now a boom in egg laying. we are now collecting a lot of eggs. So when summer hits, usually the chickens start to lay quite a lot. So we have noticed that our buckets have started filling up with eggs. No more buying eggs from for us from the shops. There's a lot of eggs and at some point we might even think of I don't know how to preserve eggs for a long time, because there's this period where they lay quite a lot of eggs, and then there's a season where it's a bit dry, where they lay little eggs or less eggs. I've seen some other American YouTubers or American vloggers. Some they do powdered eggs. It's something that I've been thinking around, because I know there will be a lot, and believe me, we noticed it with the other previous seasons where we had a lot of eggs and we ended up not even liking eggs. It was a lot, to the extent that they were they were now, we didn't want to eat them anymore. They were just too much, just the smell of eggs, you just didn't want to eat them anymore. So I guess it was just too much eggs. So yeah, we're getting into the season of surplus eggs, of a lot of eggs. So that's just another update. Other than that, also the vegetables are now growing, and yeah, this is just a quick update. And again, another big thank you for all your support in supporting our vlog. And one thing also that I've noticed whilst Ish is in the museum, in another homestead, in the rural homestead, the issue of network. So the network is bad, guys. I know it's some people have talked about it, people have posted about it. We are now experiencing it. So in as much as you get your mobile line, you buy your data and your data bundles or whatever, the WhatsApp data bundles, as soon as he gets to our homestead, he has to find a certain spot so that he can get access to the network, and he's able to communicate back home just to give us an update. So yeah, it's a bit of a challenge in that we wanted to post the videos on a daily basis, but just because of the network issue, we might have challenges, but I mean, it's something that we knew we might face, but the fact that we are now facing it is it's quite a different thing. So but anyway, we will try to post as much as we can. And again, we already had applied for Starlink, so we are just on the waiting list. So I thought I should just add that up. I know some of you might say, you guys should apply for Starlink. Starlink is now is actually very good in remote areas. Like our area is very remote, so we did apply for Starlink, but just in the waiting list, I guess. So yeah, that's about it. That's the update I wanted to show you. And yeah, I also want to collect a bit of eggs as well, because yeah, it's been quite a lot. And the chickens are now fighting the roosters, so that's something definitely. So you see, this is a heated fight. They're actually fighting. I guess we might need to to take out one of them or slaughter them before they actually hurt each other, because they're actually fighting. Look at the hen, she's trying to stop the fight, but they won't listen. I guess it's the testosterone or whatever. you guys doing? Just stop it. Alright. Don't even think about it. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Bye. Don't think about it. Bye. 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 Let's go. Don't think about it, okay? Alright. Peace. Or else you'll be stew. Very quick. Anyway, just wanted to collect eggs. Yeah. You're the peacekeeper. Thank you for keeping peace. You guys are noisy. Noisy. And then right, cool. Let us get some eggs. Right. So these are all the eggs in there. We're taking your eggs. Sorry, guys. We have to. There we go. So this is what we collected. At least we're collecting this. Excuse me, ladies. Excuse me. Can I pause? Thank you. Alright guys, I've just collected some eggs. We'll probably use them for breakfast or baking or anything. So yeah, this is the collection for today. Almost on a daily basis, these chickens or these hens are now laying, so no more buying eggs from the shops. And I know we're gonna receive more eggs as we get into summer, and yeah, we're gonna get tired of eggs. We're gonna be so sick and tired. Not sick, we'll probably be sick of eggs. Yeah, sometimes when you eat something too much, it gets annoying, or you start to get sick, or you start to repel, you start not to like them. So yeah, this is just an update, and obviously I have to do something. And yeah, I obviously have to do something about the roosters, because I can't go another day of waking up to noise from the rooster. You can imagine that noise at 4 a.m. or at 3 a.m. and multiply that noise by 4 because there's like 4 roosters. So yeah, so if you're new to this channel, we show our homesteading here in South Africa, where we are in an urban setup, and we practice full homesteading, where we keep chickens, rabbits, and farm some plants. We also have fish that we keep in our backyard. If you watched some of our videos, you will understand how our homesteading journey is. And now with this new series that we are doing in Zimbabwe, it's just an extension of our homesteading, but in a rural setup in Zimbabwe, which is our rural homestead. So I hope this explains, or I hope this introduction kind of like helps to all of our new subscribers. But other than that, I hope you're enjoying the content from our rural homestead in Zimbabwe, where we are trying to develop our homestead. This year we decided, you know what, let's start developing our rural homestead. Let's make it nice. Let's start visiting it more. Let's be connected to our homestead, our rural homestead. Let's be connected back home. We thought we needed to have that connection, and that's the reason why we are running this vlog. So yeah, to all of our new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.